AlexNet and ChatGPT are both artificial intelligence models based on neural networks and deep learning. AlexNet was mainly created for image recognition tasks, while ChatGPT was designed to understand and generate human language. Even though they work with different types of information, both systems learn patterns from huge datasets instead of being manually programmed with specific rules. They also require powerful computers, large amount of training data, and many parameters to improve their accuracy and performance. LAME stands for Large Language Model, which means an AI trained with huge amount of text to understand and generate language. GPT stands for Generative Pre-trained Transformer. Generative means it can create text. Pre-trained means it was trained before being used. And Transformer refers to the neural networks of chips it uses. Machine learning models work with numbers, so information like text, image, and audio and video must first be converted into numerical data. For example, image becomes pixel values, text becomes tokens and vectors, and audio becomes waveforms. After this conversation, the neural network can process the information and learn patterns from it. An embedding space is a mathematical space where words and concepts are represented as vectors. Similar concepts are placed close together in this space. For example, dog and cat will appear near each other because they are related. Embedding space help AI models understand meaning, relationships, and context between different words or ideas. Annotation block helps GPT models identify which words are most important in a sentence. This allows the AI to understand context more accurately. For example, in a sentence with pronouns like it, the attention mechanism helps determine what the pronoun refers to. This improves the model's ability to understand language and generate better response. One of the simple forms of machine learning is linear regression, and that's mean y equal m for x plus b. This model fits two parameters, the slope and the intercept. It is used to predict values by feeding a straight line to data points. Linear regression relates to topics such as algebra, functions, statistics, and optimization, which are commonly studied in math and engineering schools. AlexNet has around 6 million parameters, while GPT-3 has approximately 175 billion parameters. The exact number for GPT-4 has not been officially published, but research estimates it may contain hundreds of billions of effective parameters. These parameters are adjusted during training, so the model can learn and improve its predictions. Many people think AI works like a giant database of answers of things exactly like humans. In reality, AI models mainly learn patterns from massive amounts of data and predict the most likely response. One surprising thing is that the very advanced behavior that can emerge from simple mathematical operations repeat on a very large scale. In general, the real way artificial intelligence works is much more mathematical and pattern-based than many people imagine. Even though models like ChatGPT may seem intelligent or human when responding, they actually work by analyzing massive amounts of data and predicting results through complex calculation. This shows how mathematics, statistics, and programming combine to create technologies capable of solving very advanced problems. Something I learned in this class is how mathematics helps us create connections and algorithms which are like the neurons of artificial intelligence. Science it doesn't think like a human being in order to exist, but read reasons and analyze in order to be useful.